Today I'm going to give you a little tour of the learner login dashboard. I'm going to sign in as my learner, so this is the learner I created earlier. We want to sign in using that username and password. So we now get to choose an avatar. So I'm going to select Etta from the Go Games as my user login profile picture. And in here you'll see we've got spelling, we've got puzzled, and we have lessons in here as well. So this is where things will appear when you have set a lesson and assigned it to a group that you have set a learner up in. So the learner has to be in a group in order to be assigned a lesson to appear in the dashboard as you see it here. You can assign interactive resources, you can assign AR models, you can assign printed materials if you wanted to set something as homework, then you can actually access it in here. So I'm going to show you how you get to spelling and puzzled. So with spelling, you need to make sure that you have enabled the settings that allow your learner to access spelling. And we want to go in there, and you'll see it will take you straight in, and you can explore the app through here and play any of the games that we have with the train or the compete. I'm going to exit back to the dashboard. Next up, I'm going to show you puzzled. Again, I don't need to log in again, so once I've logged into this learner dashboard, which is twinkl.com/learn, you can get to puzzled and spelling, and you can access some of the puzzles that we've got in here. So that is puzzled, which is all part of your ultimate subscription. You get 50 learners that all have access like this. And this is how the lessons will appear. So you can get in here and you can launch one of these games like so. Here you can see you can also access some of our range of Twinkl apps which are available on mobile devices. So some of these are available on Android and all of these are available on iOS. So you can access these and use these as well. They need to be enabled in the learner logins dashboard, so you need to make sure that you have enabled the permissions, but you'll be able to access spelling and puzzled on the web, and you'll be able to access all of the other apps in the App Store and on Android and iOS. And that is the Learner Dashboard.